it's the 13th of June 2023. We have Repslagaregatan 25 here in Norrköping, ASEA, Sweden. There are 3 staircases in this building. We now know it's Kone because the stage 3 persons to 55 grams. And open the doors, beautiful. Built in the 1950s. I would like to know the exact year later.
Yeah.
There are 6 floors here. It must have been more or less around the mid-1990s.
Yeah.
CR is like not visible really.
Mm.
It's heavy.
One rack or
2.
yeah.
It's not bad. I just see for yourself, it's too heavy.
Yeah.
How can it be so heavy?
Expected by Kivais, maintained by Kone.
Yeah. I have a feeling it was built in 1957 because I saw it outside the building, maybe.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. So it's probably 1957.
Yeah.
And this is modernized in around 1995.
Yeah.
Or 96.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much. It's the bigger grammar resolution. No, ASEA actually.
That's